My people, if Nelson don't come outside, they give us hot. The reason why they like that girl, you understand now? Because see, anything politicians, she know they give them chance. You understand? And that's so it's supposed to be. As citizen of a country, you get right to talk your mind. Now why they like her? She know they waste time. And now she don't come outside though. They talk to the youths. So if you be youth, you dey watch me for Ghana. Yes, I don't bring you message from Yvonne Nelson. And according to Ram, she say, hey, make una stop the fight for people wey no care about una. Say, hey, according to Ram, he say una development money dey for their pocket, yo. Because after this election wey just pass, we dey hear say some people, youths especially, say they dey argue. This one they bring your right, this one they bring your right, this one they bring why this one not supposed to win. Many confusion everywhere. And so she come outside, come send this message. And I don't bring am now, my people. And if you ask me, I agree. The president, Abi Mahama himself, where una dey fight for, they no know una name. They no know where una from. Highest, that one sef, it go take the grace of God. Highest, now sorry, you go just hear. And why they talk say you go take the grace of God now because if they even remember say person like you exist. Wow. Now so my people, one day I dey waka for road. Now so I see one woman for her shop. She dey fry buffalo. Now so the woman just dey shout, oh, say free buffalo for everybody, oh. Say President Nana Akufo-Addo win. Free buffalo for everybody. That na be say that day she no make sales. Person wey no know you. You don't spend all your money dash. Okay, wetin you come gain? Una suppose dey think some kind things sometimes. You dash all your business. In case una no know, as I dey talk, hold your ear like this. Una dey owe. So all this one una dey do, in case una no know, 7,800 Ghana cedis each citizen dey owe for this country. Una never even pay una debt. Una dey fight for person wey still dey chop una money on top. I pity una. I just dey pity. See, the pity sef no even get. I dey pity una. Person wey dey fight, una dey fight for. Na even bring this debt on top una head, but una still dey fight. No be foolishness be that. Get sense now. For this una age. I'm not even expecting I'm supposed to tell una this kind of thing. But anyway, no be me, sha. Na Vanessa send me, she say, Madam, I prepare me pass this message, and I don't deliver the message. If you like, hear. If you like, no hear. You go just die by yourself for nothing, and I will still bring your matter for this place. My people, National Assembly don't bring another one again. This one shock me to my bones. Oh, they say now any girl we never reach 18 years, we never reach 18 years, but you don't marry. They say make them consider them as matured person, meaning say that person now, as long as say he be 18, he don't marry, or he no even be 18, they fit get right to vote. Nigeria. Not na so go kill us. I mean, most of una dey watch Africa Magic. Una go agree with me say before the gods start dey destroy people, they go first turn them to mad people. Now the thing wey dey happen to these people now, all of them just dey kolo up and down. See desperate people, they no even know wetin they want again, all in the name of power. Some people now, see these people where they abuse, they abuse all these underage girls. They destroy them. Now they bring us say make they marry. How 18 years or person will never even reach 18 go marry? Even 18 self na child abuse. How 18? No, wetin they know? 18 years, human being, waiting this girl go know. How she go even fit keep house? I don't dey talk this thing before. Una no wan agree with me. Not nurse. May they start their own country. Oh. Because as it be like this, we no see Nigerians no fit dey with people like this where they know they think like human being. It better make everybody go start their own country. Which kind of evil be this one? This is weak. Shame not even they catch them at all. Shame dey far from these people. This is evil. It's less than 18 years. I don't know whether una even dey understand this thing wey they talk. They say if as long as say they don't marry, say they get right to vote. Make una open una eye o. Open this una eye, because as I dey see this matter, these people now they look for way to increase their votes. And you know, say for northern part of Nigeria they plenty. Now they use this one gather people so that when election come now, they go just their votes go just go high. If we now allow these people succeed, now be say Nigeria own don finish. Now be say all these answers, all this thing where we dey fight for our rights, now be say e go dey in vain, because na the same people wey go still sit down for that place. I no go dey shock. Very very soon, they go soon dey tell us now say cows and goats dey allowed to vote. Very soon, na small thing. People wey don already dey craze. Imagine they even they play with human being life. Wetin be animal? They go just talk say, oh yeah, all of now, if you get cow, if you get goats, just bring them. And you know, say na them get and pass. They go find any excuse to make people now to start because they want to increase their vote. They go anything wey go, as long as say go increase. You dey joke with these people. I no understand whether na by force. People no want to now. Una no go allow people rest. I no understand though. Oh yeah, marry under 18 marriage. Why not scholarship? No, these children wey they to say may they go marry whether you don't reach 18 or not. No be scholarship these people suppose they focus on. Give all these young people reason to they study hard. You say na marriage, na vote. Una no even dey shame. Other countries now, they move forward with technology, development, science, manufacturing. Nigeria own. I don't know whether na swear where they swear for una. Una own na to dey think, na to dey debate on, okay, who don't right for marriage, person we don't right to vote. Abi una get children. We are sending una children when they go marry now. Now why not see Northerners wahala plenty o. Now they bring their lifestyle to affect the whole nation, because that's how they live. See, if you born pikin now, we be gay. The day where you born now, person don't come pay bride price. Person don't come. In fact, it be like food where they order. As you push them out, now this one I want. As small like that, and by the time they reach 11 or 10, you go still say they don't start. Which kind dirty things una they do? If you like, raise all the vegetables where they in a village, make they vote. If God don't say enough, na enough. Nothing we una go fit do. Una go still come up for that seat. So no need for us to even stress ourselves. But my people still on this matter, make una open una eye. I don't bring this one now so that una go know wetin dey happen. Because any small thing now, these people go just change una mind. You understand? Now the case be this, but I still want to know your own opinion. Wetin you think? Wetin you dey suggest? Wetin be your advice? We need discuss this thing now, and where it go happen now for the comment section. So share this video, make everybody know wetin dey share for this show. You understand? And click on that like button and the notification button so that you no go miss anything where we dey post for here. Yes, don't go far. I go see you now later.